Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to delete Reddit account on iPhone in app. First of all, open the Reddit app on your iPhone. Tap on your avatar to the top right corner of the screen. Tap on settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and under support, click on delete account. A new window will appear on your screen asking whether you are sure that deleting your account is your final decision. Next, you need to verify your identity by typing your username and password. After verifying your identity, type the reason why you have decided to leave Reddit. The last step would be the final verification to delete your account. So all you have to need, just tap on delete and your Reddit account will be deleted. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.